Hi and welcome to the video tutorial of Purchase Management. In this video we will learn to install Shopify Purchase Management app. So to start Shopify Purchase Management app's installation, you'll have to visit apps.shopify.com/purchase management and click on the Get button to get the app. But before you start on the installation, you can just have a look at the features of this app, which is mentioned on this page, and go ahead with the installation of Shopify Purchase Management. So I've clicked it here. Now you have to enter your Shopify shop URL and click on the login button to proceed for the installation process. Once you will enter your Shopify shop URL, the next thing you will see on your screen will be this message of install Purchase Management. You're about to install Purchase Management, and this application will be able to access and modify your store data. You just have to click on the Install Purchase Management from here. Once you will approve the charge, you will be straight away redirected to this page of Purchase Management, and your installation for the Shopify Purchase Management app is hence completed. So thank you for watching and keep watching the coming tutorials. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hi and welcome to the video tutorial of functionalities of Shopify Purchase Management app. In this video we will learn to configure and functionally operate Shopify Purchase Management app. So let's start. Now this is the page of Shopify Purchase Management, and in the left hand side you can see the menu wherein there is this option of purchase order, incoming shipment, product and supplier, and the purchase order can be added from this button from here. So we will go one by one from bottom to top. So the first process in this Purchase Management app is to add the suppliers. So we will go and add supplier. Once you will click on the supplier, here you can see the list of all the suppliers already added, and you have to click on the add supplier to add a new supplier, and you have to write the name, let's say supplier 10, email ID supplier10@abc.com, minimum time in which you want the purchase order 10, and maximum delay you can afford, let's say 5 days. The maximum delay or the time limit can be set in days and month, whichever way you want. So I have set it as days, and we'll save the settings. Supplier added successfully. Now the next thing we have to do is we have to allot the product or assign the product to the supplier. Once you will click on the product button, you can see all the product name with their ID and the suppliers which have been assigned to those products, and clicking on the view button in front of each and every product, you can see the detail of the supplier, his email, maximum and minimum delay, and the quantity which was entered to have in the purchase order. So we'll again go back to product, and we'll assign the product to supplier 10. The product we want to assign is you can select from the list given here. Brown formal men's shoes, and the supplier name is supplier 10, and you can add a lot of suppliers for one product as well by clicking on the add button. So I just want to have supplier 10 for this product, so I have only allotted it to him, and we'll save this. Product successfully assigned to supplier. Now we'll go to the purchase order, and we will create a purchase order from here. Add purchase order. Now you have to enter the supplier name as supplier 10, and to add an item you have to click here. Product name was brown formal men's shoes. As you can see, it is already there in the drop down option. The price per unit was, let's say, $100 per unit, and the number of products you want for that is let's say 10. So you can see the total price will get automatically calculated, the price per unit multiplied by the number of product, description if any. In case you want to have any message, or you want to give any suggestion or message for the purchase, for the order which you are placing to the supplier, you can just write it here. I'll write it as urgent and will add it. You can see this is the purchase order. To save this, you have to click here, and this purchase order is created for supplier 10. The quantity required is 10, and the total price for that purchase order is $1,000, and it is pending. Now to update the status, you have to go on to the action button and click here on the edit. In case you want to edit anything, you can do it from here and confirm it. Really want to change this order status? Yes. Now the purchase order status can be updated by you step by step as it is processing. So you have to click on this I in the action button to update the status. And as you can see, if you think that the purchase order is confirmed by the supplier, you have to click on the confirm, and once you clicking confirm and you have received the message that it is in transit, you can click it here in the transit. Do you really want to change the order status? Yes. And the order status will get automatically updated as in transit, as you can see here. Now we'll go to the incoming shipment. This incoming shipment is the option wherein you have to update that the purchase order has been received by you from the transit status to the received status. Clicking on here, if the moment you will receive your brown formal men's shoes and the quantity is as per desired by you, you have to click it here on the received items, and the received date, let's say 30th October 2015, and save it. Product received successfully. So that was all we have in Purchase Management app. Thank you for watching.